Imagine losing weight overnight. No diet, no gym, just a secret jelly recipe. Sounds insane, right? Well, thousands are falling for it right now. So there's this product called JellyFit, trending online with ads claiming it can burn fat fast using a bariatric gelatin trick. They even show fake celebrity endorsements and doctor videos to make it look legit. According to the official site, JellyFit is a natural weight loss formula that boosts metabolism, controls appetite, and helps you lose weight effortlessly. But here's where things get sketchy. Independent investigations reveal this is likely part of a classic weight loss scam funnel. Fake celebrity endorsements, fake news-style pages, no real scientific proof, and the secret recipe? You never actually get it. In fact, one report says the whole system is designed to push you into buying overpriced supplements with no verified results. Even worse, scam detection tools give related domains a very low trust score, just 16 out of 100, labeling it high risk and unsafe. Here's the truth nobody tells you. If a product promises instant fat loss with zero effort, it's almost always fake. Real weight loss doesn't come from a mystery jelly. It comes from consistent habits. So before you click Buy Now, ask yourself, are you investing in your health or falling for a well-designed illusion? Follow for more real reviews and stay one step ahead of scams.